It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
大家好，我係新馬。咁今日咧，我就會帶大家同我一齊翻 ConU 上堂嘅。咁其實 ConU 而家係有分 online 同埋 face to face 兩種嘅上堂模式啦。咁但好不幸地咧，我嘅德文堂咧係強制性咁樣要我哋翻去上嘅。咁咧，迫於無奈之下，我就唯有翻去啦。咁就順便帶大家同我一齊翻去上堂啦。因為而家咧一定要戴口罩出街啦，咁所以咧係唔需要考慮化唔化妝呢個問題嘅。咁所以咧，我哋笠個口罩出去咧就可以出門口噶啦。咁事不宜遲 ，Let's go！It's
been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many. Smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party. Dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine. Wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snug. We look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We look fine tonight. Looking fly tonight. We look fine tonight. We so fly. It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky.
Hello， 我未收到。佢今日特登襯嗰件衫，佢話要上鏡唔可以咁頹，唔係呢度，係咪呢邊啊？係咯，呢度可以出去。
其實我唔係好熟呢邊，我一直係成日聽。
啊係喎，你不如用瑞典文介紹下自己。
嘿嘿，也血者 Kelly，仲有啲咩可以講？
你讀咗成年半喎。
Yeah, coming from Hong Kong。
你
studio 啊？
你瑞典文係咪攞 A 㗎
係啊 A 減啊。
？A 減 student 就係識講自己個名。跟住咧，仲有咧，
你想講啲咩啊？入翻俾你聽嗰啲。
我讀緊香港大學。
Yeah, studio 啊 for Hong Kong U。
啊，
我哋第一堂就學咗呢一句嘅。
日文咧？
日文唔掂喎，上咗堂啫喎。
而家咧去呢個傳說中李嘉誠起俾佢妻子嘅，你有冇聽過？係咪係佢個第一個老婆嘅 棺材。
佢係話攞嚟鎮住嘅。
鎮住，即係佢哋好似話
嗰度名啊，莊月明，
係，呢度係莊月明。
唔係莊月明。
咦，咁我哋去緊邊？
我點知你話去邊？
我去 Cedars 嗰個 office 咯。
即係邊度？
我睇下先，邊邊？呢邊啊？
係好似呢個通過去有個廣場嗰啲咁嘅嘢。
去嗰度咧攞翻 ICAC 張相。你之前同我有興趣，你有冇報到？
係啊，我仲有都冇報到，我近排太多嘢報。
好推薦大家去玩呢個 ICAC Ambassador。哇！佢識自動開門嘅。
我上次就覺得行出咗去馬路嗰邊，再行翻入嚟，我覺得自己好傻仔。好難揾啊！呢度啲路
好似可以就咁搭 lift 嘅。係啊。
我信你啊！
喂。喂。
幾樓？
3樓。
Night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else.
你晏晝冇食到咩？
有啊，咪食完嘢之後即刻趕過嚟。
咁你即係咪行
慢慢行啊，我哋。跟住我哋陣間就可以影嗰2袋嘢啦。嗰度 welfare。
你咁講，我都有啲興趣裝 film
你可以睇下佢 IG 咧，佢有陣時會定期 po 嗰啲。我哋今日套衫都幾襯，都係呢個文青系。
好少好㗎。
但係我覺得係呢度咯，就係、
唔會。
但係佢埲牆係呢一埲牆嚟嘅喎，邊度？唔係。
每次我出到嚟條龍都超長。
係，其實佢有濕落雪嘅。咁啱啱咧，我就已經攞咗2個數嘅 welfare 翻嚟啦。咁呢個就係 film 數嘅，而呢一個咧寫住個韓字咧就係韓數嘅。咁我哋而家就嚟 unbox 佢啦。咁睇咗 film 數嗰個先啦，買咗啦。
係啫，要等3個字。
首先就有 foolscap paper 啦，3張啦，就有3隻碟啦，寫住比賽嘅作品啦，比賽嘅作品得獎啦，同埋比賽嘅作品得獎，跟住就有成個入邊最有用嘅消毒藥水啦。好，跟住就韓數啦。首先有 file 啦，好靚啦，跟住有支寫住韓數嘅筆啦，係筆嚟。紫菜啦，2罐飲品啦，咦有罐飲品
OK 喎。
係咩嚟？
邊度？
哦，保濕配方。一條掛繩啦。
芝士冰嗰啲 friend。
哦，與 yogurt 嘅芝士冰啫喱，韓國文化站。一張自拍 coupon，juice 嘅 coupon。親。
呢個是我婆屋企都有。
韓國嘅線嚟嘅，嗰啲咧股市嗰啲咧，跟住剔住就走。跟住仲有最期待，你真係唔考慮 wrap 翻份？
Canmic 唔係日本嘅咩？
呢位同學突破盲腸啦，佢寫住 Canmic Tokyo。不過唔好理，我哋 unbox 佢。睇到2罐 Canmic 嘅 MT 啦。跟住唇膏嘅試用版，化妝水嘅 sample。我見到佢呢度寫住食後唔知乜嘢啦，咁我估應該係唇膏啦。 嘅，
馬蟻
勁大隻咯。
，My goodness！
啡色嘅 BB cream，啡色嘅眉粉。好啦，就係咁，我哋已經unpack完我哋個 well pack 啦。咁咧，我哋陣間食完嘢咧，就會去上堂啦。咁我就會去上德文堂啦，跟住我對面嗰位小姐咧就會去上日文堂啦。
啱啊，後面對門係開到㗎，
係咩？
不過要好大力咯。
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
上完堂啦，你咯，捉翻啲遲課。我遲到咧，跟住咧，我已經上咗5堂定6堂啦。即係咧個 Miss 咧係記得到啲人名啦，但係佢每次都唔記得我個名。跟住我每次仲要今日遲到咧，佢就會問我你叫咩名咯。而家幾點
9:3度。
9:3啦，跟住我哋翻到去10點鐘啦，跟住夜晚就可以玩狼人殺。
救命！
你會翻去玩食雞啊？定係你有嘢做啊？
哦，咁我睇一睇啲 PowerPoint 先，睇完再玩。
食雞？過嚟陪我玩狼人殺啊！
黐線要玩到3點，我聽日仲要翻學㗎。
我聽日都要翻學。
我哋翻完咗。
哦，你翻嚟？係啊。
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk taller, heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky, that itches till we die. We so fly. We're so fly. We so fly. We're so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many. Smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party. Dancing like there's no one else around.
今日條片去到呢度，如果大家中意呢條片嘅，記得幫我 like 同 subscribe 我嘅 channel，可以撳埋下邊個小鈴鐺。我哋下條片再見，拜拜。